Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to fix ORA-54015 error in Oracle Database 12c. So I have logged into the SQL facilitator as a common user called c-score. Make sure that you have enough permission to execute all the SQL queries. Okay. Now what I am going to do, I am going to create one table called marks. Create table marks contains max column, physics column, and total as max plus physics, comma average. So average also, what I am doing, I am declaring the same expression like total. Okay, max plus physics. Okay, you can see that ORA-54015 duplicate column expression was specified. So total column also having the same expression max plus physics. Average column also having the same expression max plus physics, which is not allowed here. So duplicate expression is not allowed in virtual columns. Okay. So what I am doing, I am modifying the create table SQL query. So average means max plus physics divided by 2. That is the valid one. So I am modifying the expression for the average column. That's it. So this is the fix for ORA 54015.